Make a great choice today with the 2018 Elantra GT. The Hyundai Elantra GT is a beautiful hatchback with European style. Plenty of cargo space and a wide variety of technology top this vehicle off. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, daytime running lights, outside temperature gauge, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.